Hello students, how are you? Students, the day before yesterday I explained third part of the lesson. Now today I am going to explain fourth part of it. Now listen. By leaning against the drums, she can feel the resonances flowing into her body. Students, Deborah Cowley is saying that Evelyn senses the vibrations of the drum by leaning against them. In this way, she senses the vibrations through her body parts. On a wooden platform, she removes her shoes so that the vibrations pass through her bare feet and upper legs. While standing on a wooden platform, she uses to remove her shoes so that the vibrations may pass through her bare feet, upper legs. Not surprisingly, Evelyn delights her audiences. In 1991, she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award. Not surprisingly, Evelyn made her audiences happy in 1991 by winning the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award. Says master percussionist James Blades, God may have taken her hearing, but he has given her back something extraordinary. At her success, the famous master percussionist James Blades says that God may have taken Evelyn's hearing power, but in place of Evelyn's hearing power, he has given her something extraordinary. He has given her the strong power of sensing. What we hear, he says, what the persons hear, she feels far more deeply than any of us, and she senses the sounds more clearly than a normal person. That is why she expresses music so beautifully. That is why, because she has a strong sensing power. She has a sensing power more than a normal person. That is why she expresses the music, she performs the music so beautifully, perfectly. Evelyn confesses that she is something of a workaholic. Evelyn says that she wants to do the work in continuation. She is workaholic and she wants to do the work in continuation without stopping. I have just got to work often harder than classical musician. Evelyn says that she wants to do hard work more than classical musicians, but the rewards are numerous. And she says that was the reason of winning numerous awards. Apart from the regular concerts, Evelyn also gives free concerts in prisons and hospitals. Apart from her regular shows, he gives her free shows, free concerts in prisons and hospitals. She also gives a high priority to the classes for young musicians, and she gives the high priority to take the classes of young musicians. And Rislin of the Beethoven Fund for Deaf Children says she is a shining inspiration for deaf children. They see that there is nowhere that they cannot go. And Rislin, who belongs to Beethoven Fund for Deaf Children, says that Evelyn Glennie is a shining inspiration for the deaf children. After observing the performance of Evelyn Glennie, deaf children can say that there is no place where they cannot go. There is nothing which they cannot achieve. Evelyn Glennie has already accomplished more than most people twice her age, and Evelyn Glennie has already achieved the success more than the people twice of her age achieved. She has brought percussion to the front of orchestra, and she has brought percussion to the front of orchestra and demonstrated that it can be very moving, and she demonstrated that the percussion is very moving, and she has brought percussion in front of orchestra. She has given inspiration to those who are handicapped people, and she is the inspiration for the handicapped persons or disabled persons, people who look to her and say, if she can do it, I can. And people who observe her performance, they say, if a deaf girl can achieve success, then why they cannot achieve? And not the least, she has given enormous pleasure to the millions, and she has given the enormous pleasure to the million people. Means she is the reason of giving enormous pleasure to the million people. Because of her performance, millions of people are delighted. Now students, I think you will have understood the meaning of this part of the lesson. Now I request you to read and write the explanation, and tomorrow I will explain next part of it. Thank you and have a nice day.